Right here in the world, being with you all alone, it's like a dream come true. I want you right here in the world, being with you all alone, it's like a dream.
For today, guys, I think I'll be doing Barbie fry, Pepsi Barbie fry, chicken, and red stripe jerk pork. See my jerk spices them now? Yeah, man. See my good old pimento here. Yeah, plus me I go beat up my ginger. Just stay tuned, guys. You'll see more after this. Hi guys, welcome back to K and Com Vlogs. Yes, K Cutter here. Chocolate. I kind of blue still, but nice sunlight it pop more, or I guess maybe it'll grow out. So today, guys, I'll be cooking for you guys. What will K be cooking? Here I have some chicken to be cleaned up, some leg and thighs to be exact. I'm gonna do some Barbie fry with a leg and thigh, but this Barbie fry is with a twist. It's because it's gonna be Pepsi Barbie fry chicken. Yes, I did say Pepsi Barbie fry with a little zing of Jack Daniels. Yes, so Pepsi Barbie fry chicken with Jack Daniels in it. Not too much because I'm cooking for my kids as well, okay people? But if you're catering for like large functions or even collegers, persons who age group to drink, you can add more. But for me, it's just gonna be just a toops, just to enhance the taste of the Pepsi. Okay, so it's gonna be Barbie fry, Pepsi Barbie fry chicken with a little zing of Jack Daniels. Not only that, here also have some pork chops. I'm gonna do some jerk pork chops for you. But what kind of jerk pork chops is it gonna be? Some red stripe people, look. Some red stripe jerk pork chops. So stay tuned, guys. I'm just gonna clean up my meat and get the seasoning going. So stay tuned. Let me go ahead and clean up my leg and thighs. White vinegar to wash off the meat. So guys, you know when you wash meat, you have to ensure say you go through the finer part of it, you do the whole cleaning up process properly, okay? Yeah man, you pick off any little small feather and all them things there. Yeah man, stay tuned. We start to seasoning up. Alright, for the pork, so pimento seed and crush it. You know you have to add it. Cause you know a jerk, you know what is jerk without pimento, eh? Yeah, man. Come like soup without dumpling. And because me now go parboil it first, so I'll grate some garlic. So the garlic can soak into it, you understand? So I grate some garlic. And I grate some ginger as well. So I grate garlic and ginger and just get the pork seasoned up, and then I go off to the chicken. Okay people? Yes, let that soak in, and then you add some crushed peppers. Not a lot because you don't want it too spicy. Okay, but you know jerk will have a bit of spice. Yeah. Blended season. Yeah, these are normally like scallion, thyme, garlic, onion, peppers. Yeah, add those to it. Then I'm using some Grace Jamaica jerk season. Add some of that to it as well. And also some Grace Jamaica jerk season again, but I think this one is the hot. You see people, hot one, and this is the mild. Yeah man, Grace Kennedy doing the thing. So I'm adding a little of both, and I'm just gonna let this marinate, okay people? Now we move on to the chicken. So here I'm using some Maggi chicken season. And I'm also using some Maggi all-purpose. I'm using some cayenne pepper. And a little bit of salt. Right? And I'm also going to prepare the flour that I'm going to use to fry the chicken. Because given that it's barbecue fry, you know you're going to fry it first. Then you make the barbecue sauce. So I'm going to put a little of the seasoning as well on the flour. You know, some people you eat some chicken and the outer part of the chicken is fresh. Yeah man, because they don't season up the flour, you understand? So only the chicken alone you taste. So you have to wait for it off his skin area before you can really taste the thing. So you know me, I gotta also rub in my season them now and get this thing on frying. And then I'm gonna show you how to make the Pepsi Jack Daniel barbecue sauce. There people, chicken well seasoned and soak. Likewise the pork chops. And see the things them now to make the Pepsi Jack Daniel barbecue sauce, and also the Redstripe jerk sauce. You understand? So for the pork now, because the pork are going to soak, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to add some of the Redstripe into it. Yes, I add it into it. So it will go and soak. So it will absorb the Redstripe. The rest of the Redstripe will leave. I have to use make the sauce, people. I'm going to use coat it with. Okay? Yes. As to the chicken them now, they preheat the stove, so let's get frying. So people, while the pot get hot to put the chicken them in and start frying, I just have a little sauce and I use on the pork. So I'm going to add some ketchup. I had some Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. I had some browning, just a little too, not much. I had some sugar. And I got the good old Redstripe. You want to see how it fuse. Look into it. Look, you see it? It's fusing, people. It's fusing. Alright, so you know you're going to mix all that. Now this is what you're going to use to coat the jerk, right? Yeah. So just one. Make sure so everything will mix out. So you make the combination rich and nice, right? Yes, people. Taste it now. Yeah, I like that. No need no salt, no nothing. The sugar is alright, it's not too sweet or anything. So you're going to start by coating the meat to put it in the pan for the oven, right? So this is one. And you coat it, people. Coat it. Okay? People, you jerk another pan, right? So you know I'm gonna proceed for start coating it, okay? I have to coat it for ensure say yeah. All of these ingredients are going to soak down in the meat. So you're coating it, people. And people, you know, you give to just one coating, you understand? You put in it, and when you start cooking something, so you take out and look, you coat again. You understand? You recoat. So this is just the first coating. So you stay tuned to see the completion. So this is the first coating. This is the mixture. Yes, people. So people, as you can see, I'll hot time to put in chicken. Chicken up, butter, bubble, people. Stop up everything and hold some more, look, people. So, you know, we are continuing. That's what it can hold. So people, as you can see, chicken are fried, so I cover them. Woohoo! To float the box cover, hold on the people, hold on. Alright, I'm not cover it yet, not just yet. Look on the jerk now, I go on. See jerk there? See it go on? Alright, people, push it back under and close up the oven. Focus on the fried chicken now. People, I'm gonna make the sauce. I'm gonna make the Pepsi Jack Daniel barbecue sauce now. See the chicken. Although they're not ready yet, you understand? I'm gonna go and fry, but I still have to make the sauce in advance. Okay, people? Yeah. First we get the container, which is a pot, kind of we're gonna boil it first, right? You put the Pepsi them in there. People, I always tell them, anything now use out a can or anything, please wash off the top of it. Top of the can, wash off the surface, because you don't know where they are stored. You don't know if any rodents, any cockroaches, anything crawl up on it, you understand? So sanitation is a must. So you wash off your Pepsi, cover them, you top them, and then you pull it to add your Pepsi. People may add a little sugar. See it rice? Just if me add the salt same way, that's still rice, people. Because you know any solution into Pepsi, you eat the bubbling form. Watch the salt you know. Yes, people, same. Add a little lime juice, lemon juice, right? Add a little of that. And add a little ketchup, people. Alright. A little toops of vinegar. Not much, just a little toops. Alright. And you add your barbecue sauce and a little of your Jack Daniel, people. Then you go stir that and put it to a boil. Whoa, Jack Daniel, yeah. So people, you bring it to a stir. Let me taste it now. Yeah. Why people not like me? I taste a little bit of everything in this, you know. Yeah, man, I taste the lemon, I taste the Jack Daniel, I taste the vinegar. Yo, this is a shot. Yes, people, so you know, when the chicken them done fried, you know, I put them in this boil a bit. Yeah, man, and then I put them in a oven for a bit. Alright, stay tuned. As I can see, people, the chicken them almost done fried and well soaked, you know, well soaked. I give them more 10 to 15 more minutes here. So let's stay tuned. And people may have to change a jerk pan to the pork, you understand? Because the things they eat did I reach like when I want to reach it, show that the thick pan there. So I'm putting on a thin container, see it there. So yeah man, you didn't know, so go on. And see, ready for it to wait, you know. Yes, people. So people, as you can see, take out the pork for check it. See there, it's cook already. So far I can run through it. Yeah man, it's getting there. So I'm going to turn it and re-coat the other side. And the chicken them done fry, so that time for the chicken them go in at the sauce pan the fire. And rice and peas pot on the way, people. So people, as you can see, this is another re-coating of the pork. Yeah, another re-coating of the pork this. So I'm going to put it back in the oven here now. Yeah. And so the fried chicken here, ready to go in the sauce. So people, I'm going to start add the chicken to the sauce. Keep boil for a while, you understand people? See the people, all the chicken them they're in, and I'm gonna go and boil my sauce. So I just cover it up for a while and make the chicken just absorb all the sauce in it, people. Stay tuned. So people, the time up now, so you know me I take it out. Take out the chicken them. Out the sauce. So they look like it, people. Wow. I put them in that because guess what? I put them in the oven for a bit. Yeah, the chicken, they with me now. Never eat it for that. Wow, people look at it. Wow. People look on that. Whoa, whoa. Why they look juicy and nice? Me not lie, people. Now I'm gonna put them in the oven for 15 minutes. Here's the pork, people. Whoa, watch for I run through meat. Whoa, so people, I cut a piece and taste it, and then re-coat it, which is the last coating, and put it back in. And then after that, I hit that. So people, may I take out a piece and taste it. Wow. Look at that, people. Wow. Taste it too. Food heaven. Really good, people. Really good. People. Here you have it. This is the Pepsi Jack Daniels Barbie fried chicken. And it's ready. This is the pork. And this is the Redstripe Barbie jerk pork. Just going back into the oven now for a few more minutes. And then that is it, people. Now it's time for Cage to taste the Pepsi barbecue. How does it taste?
It tastes good.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay. So you think mommy did a good job?
Yes.
Okay. Enjoy food, yes.
Yo, okay. Something, you put something in that green. You see that? God, a lot. You see how the chicken? Carrot to say it. The rice too, but yo, we have to go back on my house.
They are running out of business.
We have dead them out. And no, KFC, because KFC not going in over here. You gonna try this? You try it?
I said I just first you go along say na food, me sit down on your plate.
Hey. This bad. This bad.
Kason, you have bone. How is it for you, Kason?